Hey guys, this video is going to be about creating your work breakdown structure for a schedule, or your WBS for short. So I'll click into this three menus. I'll click into WBS, and then I'll start adding as many levels as I need. Typically, I'll have three primary levels. It'll be like pre-construction, long lead items, and then construction. And then within my construction, I'll have a couple sub levels or child WBSs, which will be like site construction, and then I'll add another one for building construction. But another way this can be useful is if you have a massive development that is going in multiple phases. You can build all of those phases within this one project structure. So I'll have like my phase one, and then I'll have my phase two, and then within each of these phases, I'll do my standard breakout structure. I'll have, my phase one, pre-construction, long lead, and construction, site construction, building construction, and then I'll do the same thing for phase two. And the reason that's so powerful is if you have anything in your phase two that is dependent on phase one, or certain tasks in phase one, you can account for that all within this individual project. So far, I haven't found a way to link dependencies or link relationships from this project. If I have my building A and say I wanted to link it to something to my retail, I haven't found a way to do that if it's built outside in a separate project space. Unfortunately, Oracle may have a way to do it, but I haven't figured it out yet if it does exist. And this is a great workaround for that. I also wanted to show you that you can import a template or just a previous WBS from another project. So you click in the gear, add WBS from project. You can click on the template here if you have them created. I don't. I'm going to use other projects. I'm going to click the drop downs here until I find my ground ups, and then I'm going to use my retail WBS. And if you just click WBS from here, it's going to copy everything that is figured for that project. It's going to copy all your activities and all your relationships, which I don't want to do. I really just want the WBS structure, and then I want to hand create each of those activities. I guess you could if the projects are like fairly identical, or the building construction type is fairly identical. You can probably copy those over, but I usually don't. I like to hand enter my activities, and that's what helps me get familiar and intimate with the project and get my brain really thinking about how I need to build this thing. So I uncheck all of that stuff, and I'll hit add WBS, and then it populates with everything that I need. The only things I need to change in here are to make this match my BLDA, and we assigned this when we created the project initially. That's the unique project ID. And then just kind of take out retail for all of these. And this project is only going to have one building, so I'll probably delete out both of these spaces, and I'll just make this my building construction, just as a standalone. But as you can see, it's already all broken out for me. I'll click over to my activities, and it's completely ready for me to start populating with tasks. And that's it. That's setting up your work breakdown structure in Oracle Cloud. Thanks for watching.